Another very important thing before applying Granger causality test is, see, for every time series, the presence of unit root test is checked. That is whether the data is stationary or not. So what we were interested wasn't absent part. Absent part means that means at if we see CR Allahabad Bank, I'm highlighting it here. At the level, trend and intercept, this unit root is absent. Okay, then in Andhra Bank, if we see, this unit root is absent in the first instance. Okay, so if I have to apply test of Granger causality, rather than applying on the log values, I have to apply it on the first difference of the series. Okay, when it start with the first difference. So if we see for Bank of Baroda, it is again absent here, where in the first difference only. So right now we are not having any first difference series or so. So how to generate this series? Okay, for applying Granger causality, what I'm doing is I'm just copying the name of the variable from here. I'm closing this data. Okay, I will close this data, and what I'll do, I'll start eViews again. Okay. Okay, just a moment. I'm getting eViews open again. It is here. Just you need to wait for a moment. And what I'm doing, I'm getting my data sheet open. Okay. So what I'm doing is, this is this is my data sheet again. And what I'm doing is I'll generate a series for the first difference value of CAR for Allahabad Bank. Okay, so how will I generate? I'll write the name of the series as this, and this is the name of the series. Rather than writing in bracket, I'll name it this, and equals to df of okay. Okay, d is not defined, so what I'll do, I'll cancel it. Okay, so what we are going to do is we need to generate. So what we are doing is generate series. Suppose I'll name my series at D, and D of, for example, CR of Allahabad Bank. This is the first difference series for CR of Allahabad Bank, which I want to generate. So I'll just put uh, D in front of the name. Okay. So my series name would be first D, and sorry, I was first first D of LCR Allahabad Bank. It was log value which I was supposed to take. So my series name would be first difference of L, that is log value of CR Allahabad Bank, then equal to sign, then D bracket start, not D, not like this, bracket start, and I'll just put the name of the series of of which the difference I want to find. And okay, first the label is an illegal name or reserve name. Okay, that means I might have used it again earlier. And so what I'll do is, not for Allahabad Bank, I'll do it for D uh, CAR Andhra Bank. Okay, so I have the name DLCR of Andhra Bank equals to D bracket star L underscore CAR of Andhra Bank, and okay. So you will see the series generated here with the name D here. This is for the first difference. The series will have first difference value for Andhra Bank. So next, what I have to do, I have to apply Granger causality test between the two series. That means if I'm checking the Granger causality, data should be stationary, and stationary data is the first difference data. So rather than using only log value, I'll use the difference value. Okay, and suppose I'm checking it for variable which is like I'm sharing, but I'm checking it for variables, variables which is like one of the variables is stationary at log only, and another variable is stationary at difference. So accordingly, I have to take the name. One variable name should be taken as difference than, and the other variable should be what, log only. So this has to be taken care of. Okay.